Today we are going to solve the problems on landfill. That means in order to design a landfill, normally they will be in a problem. They are telling you to design a sanitary landfill site by giving the population count. They are going to give you the population count and they will be giving you how much amount of per capita, how much amount of solid waste generation the people will be generating, that they will be giving you, and they will be giving you the depth and the density they will be giving you, and they will be telling you to determine the area required for the landfill site, or they may ask you determine how many number of workers are required in order to manage the landfill site. So such kind of a problem might be they will be asked you in the examination. Now in order to solve the problem we want two formulas, that is the volume, the waste generated divided by the density. The waste generated, right, for in order to determine this, right, they are, you need the population count and per capita how much waste the per person is going to generate. So if you multiply the population multiply by per capita waste generation, you are going to get the total how much amount of people will generate how much amount of waste that you are going to get. From that particular formula you are going to get the waste generated divided by density they will be giving you in the problem, and then area we can find it out by using the formula volume divided by depth, because volume is nothing but length into breadth divided by depth. So L and B will be the area and this will be the depth. So you are getting the formula as area divided by area is equal to volume divided by depth. Now we are going to solve the first type of a problem, that is, okay, so design a sanitary landfill to serve a population of 31,000 with the following data. They have given the solid waste generation rate as 1.9 kg per capita per day. That means these 31,000 people, right, per person will generate how much amount of waste? He will generate around 1.9 kg of waste he is going to generate. This they have given. Then compacted density of solid waste in the landfill is, they have given 474.6 kg per meter cube. So density is given. Then the average depth of compacted solid waste, it is 3.1 meter. Okay. Now as I have told, the solid waste generation rate is equal to population multiplied by 1.9. So 31,000 is the population. Each person will generate how much amount of waste? 1.9 kg of waste. So 31,000 people, each person will be generating 1.9. So we are going to multiply it. So we are going to get the solid waste generation rate. So how much we are getting? 58,900 kg per day. These 31,000 people will generate 58,900 kg per day of the solid waste. Now volume, in order to determine the volume, the formula that I have told was waste generated divided by density. So waste generated is how much? 58,900 kg per day divided by 474.6 kg per meter cube. So kg get cancels, meter cube will come up. So volume how much we are having? We are going to have 124.1 meter cube per day of volume we are going to have it. Okay. Now what they have asked you? They have asked you to design a sanitary landfill. So we want the area. Okay. So area is equal to volume divided by depth. Volume they have given, we have found it out. It is 124.1 meter cube per day, and depth they have given 3.1 meter. So we are going to get an area of 40.03 meter square per day. Here meter get cancelled, so remains is this one. Okay, so we are having the meter square per day. Now area per year, how much amount of area we require? This is per day. 1 year will be having how many number of days? It is going to have 365 number of days. So 40.03 multiplied by 365, it is 14,611.07 meter square per year. This much amount of area we require in order to dispose the waste generated by 31,000 people. Okay. Now Assuming the area as a rectangular section, we are going to keep length and breadth as 2:1. That means the length will be 2 times the breadth. So we are going to have the area is equal to length into breadth. Okay. So area we have found it out. How much? 14,611.07, and L into B is 2B multiplied by B. So we are going to have 2B square. Okay, B square we are going to get 7305.53. B we are going to get 85.47. Okay, now L is equal to 2B. So we are going to get the length as 170.94 meter. We will be approximately, we are going to keep it as 171, and here breadth we are going to keep it as 86 meter. So per year, in order to dispose 31,000 people's waste, how much land we require per year? We require around 171 multiplied by 86 meter, right? Meter, if we are going to multiply both, we are going to get the area into the meter square. Okay, 171 we will require a length meter, and we require breadth as 86 meter. So this is how we have designed the sanitary landfill. We have found out the area of a sanitary landfill. Now we are going to solve one more problem, right, in the similar way that we have solved in the as a last problem. So determine the landfill area required for a municipal population of 50,000, given that solid waste generation rate is 450 gram per day. Okay, then a compacted density is 504 kg per meter cube, average depth that is 5 meter. So solid waste generation rate, it is nothing but the the population multiplied by solid waste generation rate. This is they have given in terms of gram, we have converted into kg. 1 kg will be having how many grams? So 1000 grams. So we have just converted into the kgs. So we are going to get 50,000 multiplied by 0.45. We are going to get 22,500 kg per capita per day. So this per day of kg per day of waste we are going to generate. Okay, so we are going 50,000 people will generate how much amount of waste? They are going to generate 22,500 kg per day of waste they are going to generate. Okay, now volume is equal to this particular formula that has been already told, waste generated divided by density. Waste generated is 22,500 kg divided by density is 504 kg per meter cube. Okay, so how much volume we are going to generate? We are going to generate how much? 44.64 meter cube of volume we want. Okay, now area is equal to volume divided by depth. Volume is how much? 44.64 meter cube. Now depth is how much? 5 meter. So we are going to have 8.93 meter square per day. Okay, now area per day how much is, per year how much is required? It is by mistake I have written per day, it should be per annually. So 8.93 multiplied by 365. Okay, per annually, or annually 1 year will be having 365 days. So 8.93 per day of waste, 1 year will be having 365 days. So we require 3258.9 meter square per year. This much amount of, in order to dispose the 50,000 people's waste, we require area how much annually? 32.58.9 meter square of area we require. Assuming the rectangular section with length and breadth as 2.1, right? Area how much we have got? We have got the area as 3258.9. Area is equal to length into breadth. So 2b square, L is equal to 2b. B into 2b, we are going to have 2b square. So we require b square how much? 16.29. So b breadth how much we want? 40.36 meters we want. Length is 2 times the breadth, so we require around 80.73. So approximately by increasing these values, both the length and breadth, how much area we want? We want overall dimension as 81 multiplied by 40 meters we want. Length we want 81 meters and breadth we want 40 meters. So this is the similar kind of a problem that we have solved. Now we want to see the other type of a problem, that is estimate the quantity of solid waste generation per annum in a municipal area having 1 lakh dwellings. Assume each person produces 350 grams of solid waste per day. Also, they are telling to determine the workout the number of collectors required per day if the collector collects, right? If a collector collects 12 kg per hour and works for about 8 hours per day, assume mean population of 5 residents per dwelling. That means 1 lakh dwellings are there. In 1 lakh dwellings, we are having 5 residents. So now, and each resident will be generating 350 grams of solid waste. So we first what we want to have, we want to calculate. Now they have asked estimate the quantity of solid waste generation. Okay, in order to calculate this solid waste generation per day, what we are going to do, we are going to have 1 lakh dwellings. In that 1 lakh dwelling, how many people are there? 5 people are there, and each person will generate how much kg of waste? 0.35 kg of waste. So per person per day, these 1 lakh dwellings with having 5 people and 0.35 kg of waste generation per day, they are going to generate around 1,75,000 kg of waste. Now if we want to calculate annually, they will be generating, 1 year will be having 365 kg, so they are going to generate 63,875 tons of waste. Now the next, this we have determined the solid waste generation per annum. They have asked in the question, so our first problem is over. Now they are asking how many number of collectors required. Okay, so per collector collects 12 kg per hour and works for 8 hours. So one person, right, in one day, how much waste he is going to collect? He is going to collect 96 kg of waste per day he is going to collect. So now how many, in order to calculate how many number of collectors per day, what we are going to have? We are going to have the solid waste generation divided by the per person is going to collect how much kg of waste. So in order to collect 1,75,000 kg of waste with having the 96 kg per day, if a per person is going to collect, how many number of collectors we required, we are going to calculate in this. So number of collectors 1 lakh, in order to collect 1,75,000 kg of waste, and each person is going to collect 96 kg of waste per day. Then if we divide this waste generation divided by per person's waste collection capacity, we are going to get how many number of collectors that we require per day. So if we divide both 1,75,000 divided by 96 kg, we are going to get 1822.92. So it is the number of people we require. So we will, it cannot be 0.92 person, cannot happen. So we require around 1823 people in order to collect the waste of 5 lakh people, that is 1 lakh dwelling and 5 people per day with having 0.35 kg of waste generation rate per day. So we require 1823 people, number of people or number of collectors to collect the waste.